So you can see here, guys, how the headlining board is sagging in the center, also up the front here. And what makes them sag is just the foam that gets old and crumbly, and it makes the fabric detach itself from the headlining board. So to remove the headlining board, here are some basic tools you're going to need. Usually just a screwdriver, and also sometimes you need certain bits like Torx head screw bits to actually fit on the bolts. We start by reclining the two front seats, push them back and recline them all the way back. Also, we lay a blanket down in the center part where we're sitting just to protect the interior. And now we can move into taking some plastics off. Alright, let's get stuck into it and get this headliner out. So you want to go around now and take out all the wiring that's plugged to the board, because we actually leave the wiring stuck in the car, so it's normally fed underneath this insulation padding. So you just peel that off, peel the wiring away, leave the wiring down somewhere so it doesn't rest on any interior part in case the globes come back on, and once the wiring's off, we can safely remove the board out the car. So if you're looking for more process and more steps on how to do a headlining repair, you can check out our latest ebook called Headlining Secrets, where we will leave no stone unturned. We will go into all the steps, the process, common problems to watch out for, go into about the glues, the materials to use, and it's just more detail about the headlining repair process. So that will be in text and pictures. You guys can follow along. So yeah. And before you go, guys, we do ask that if you like this content, give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. It really helps us out, and we look forward to seeing you in the future doing your car headliner repair. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time. Cheers.